Hi everyone, this is Kathy, and Kathy's not even middle-aged, 47-year-old model that we have here. And what we're going to do is help all of us ladies that are in our 40s and over. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a liquid foundation on Kathy today. Now there's a sea of liquid foundations out there. What we have to look for our 40 plus ladies, or 40 and over ladies, is a light reflecting foundation if possible. So what we're going to do is show you exactly how to make the most of your whole face with foundation, how to apply it correctly for this age category. We're popping foundation on the skin and then concealer, because if we did it the other way around, concealer would just be messed up in the foundation and we'd probably reapply the concealer at the end. So we're just popping a bit on, we're warming it. The reason we're using the back of the hand again is warming the foundation. When any product's warmed before it's popped on the skin, it will adhere better and it will look a lot more natural. So we're doing it in sections. So I've done the forehead first, the sides here, and remembering always to do the eyelids. It doesn't even matter if you're not going to be wearing eyeshadow, you have to do your eyelids. I've done the foundation on Kathy. Now, we're just going to whiz one of these trusty little cotton buds around the eye area. And what that does is takes away that excess foundation. Okay, so we're warming. Remember the sides of the hands all the time warming. What we do, we concentrate on the inner. We're not whizzing concealer right around here. It's a tiny, tiny amount needed. It's just knowing the correct application. Finely milled loose powder, we're just dusting it on. And what powder actually does, it will set a liquid foundation. Just makes it a little bit more receptive to other products. The best eyeshadow for anybody, it doesn't matter whether you're a darker skinned lady, whatever colour eyes you have, if you have a fabulous neutral colour, what we do is we dust that all over the lid as a base, and there's the veiny look on the eyes gone. Now we're just going to put a sponge tip because we're concentrating a little bit more on the corners. Another quite a neutral toning, but again, I think this is something that's terrific for anybody, just to pop a little bit on the lid, and you'll notice I'm going from the outside in. And then just sort of 1/2 to 3/4 of the way, just to introduce a little bit of colour. I've decided to use a blue today because blue suits all eye colours. Quite a bright blue, but this colour makes the whites in the eyes stand out. Okay, so this will be a lovely change just to brighten things up a bit from the neutral tonings that we've done. So let's go for top of the eye is fine. Go for your eyeliner, just like I have with Kathy with the blue, or I could do brown or even black. But under the eye is a whole different story. But if you're finding that you're struggling a little bit, then just do that. It just makes getting a little bit close to the lashes very easy. What I'm going to do on Kathy is pop a little bit of eyeshadow under her eyes of a neutral toning. Rimming under very, very gently. And see, it just gives a little bit of a definition to the under eye area, because we're not going to put mascara on Kathy's bottom lashes, we're just doing the top. That emphasises the whole eye and makes the whole eye stand out so much more. If you enhance your eyebrows, that is the one thing that will make your whole face look framed. Just gently feathering. So we're really just filling in a few gaps, because sometimes that can be an issue too. If they're a bit stray and you haven't got many, you need to tame them. So just spray a little bit of hairspray and we'll just groom them. Often we mightn't have the lush lashes that we did have in our earlier years, so we need to get something that will give us full lashes. Again, just do the little jig if you want to separate, just starting at the roots of the lashes and just doing a little bit of a jig as you go along. And now we're going to pop some blush on. Now, I think that pink is extremely flattering on cheeks of ladies over 40, unless you've got a lot of pink in your skin yourself. So that's that apple in the cheek. Remember, all you need to do is just smile. Yep, smile. There's the apple. Ta-da. A hint of shimmer can be flattering in a blush, but don't put shimmer eyeshadow on your eyes if you're basically over 25. Introduce a little bit of shimmer just under the brow bone, not the whole way, just the half, almost where you've done your eye pencil. So we're going to pop on neutral lip liner on the very, very top of her lip, rather than under it. That can just give it a little bit more fullness. When we're 40 and over, we go for creamy look lipsticks and lip glosses. Good. Now we'll just get the lip liner and go over the lip area again. And remember, it's a neutral colour, so we're not going to see it. So hopefully that will take, a lot of girls will take a lot of tips from that and enjoy.